Guys, my name is Kgomotso and I have a product here that I made, which is my product, which is called Atchar sauce. So what I did here, I took your normal Atchar, then I converted it into a sauce, but I reduced most of oil, so it's low fat as well, and it doesn't have spices, no more smelling armpits, heartburns and all that. And you can now use it in different form, like you can marinate your meat with it, you can cook with it, salad dressings, bread, bona, you name it, you can play along with this. And it's two variant, which is the chili and the garlic flavor. Why did I start at Atchar sauce? Good question. So Atchar sauce, we were in a process of writing a cookbook, but we didn't want to use any product. Like, we wanted a specific one product that we're going to focus on and, you know, use it with our dishes. And in that process, I had visitors from Germany, and I prepared traditional food and Atchar sauce was on the table, but they didn't want to eat Atchar sauce, and the question was why. And the question was, the answer was because the oil, the spices, like, it didn't just make sense for them. And I took the same Atchar, then I went to my kitchen, I blended it, and they ate it without knowing it's the same Atchar that they didn't want to eat. And that's where we started, you know, with this idea, doing a research. So we started 2019, but 2019, 2020, it was a year of a research, you know, failing, whatever, you name them. And only last year we started getting momentum, and apparently right now we've been accepted by ShopRite, and you can also get us to few spas. And we are also part of Proudly SA. We are a team of Proudly SA, and we, yeah, it's Atchar sauce. Our factory, it's at Weinberg Center, 5th Street 15, Unit 4. That's where we make the magic. Oh, our social media page, you can find us at Facebook, Atcharizer, Pty Ltd, and Instagram page, it's Atchar sauce at Atcharizer. So yeah, you can also follow my personal page. That's where I show you everything, where we're going, whereabouts and all that, which is Kgomotso Karmepa. That's my personal Facebook page. And yeah, experience here at the tea, it was good. I got to connect with people, meet different people from different companies, and we got to learn more. There was some of the advisors, the owner of the establishment was also giving, you know, few of the tips there and there. But it is good because now I got to meet some lady who was like, I can help you with funding, and that's really big for the thing. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
My name is Kgomotso Karmepa, and I am a township entrepreneur as well.
Awesome.